back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be writing, composing, and sending emails. It is going to require a little bit of technical knowledge like HTML to draft those emails with all the different images and formatting to go out to customers. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just ask that if you enjoy my job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Today's job lead is from the company Mission Wired. Now, Mission Wired only has 30 reviews on Glassdoor, and they have a little bit of a lower rating of 2.8 out of 5 stars. So please always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. But they are hiring an email production associate remote for the United States, and they are paying very well. They're providing you a Mac computer to work from, so this is going to be perfect for those of you who don't have a computer if you have the technical knowledge. But they're basically looking for somebody to code their top-notch emails and web pages, just building a digital user journey. The main points of the job are coding and sending these mission critical emails that raise money and promote social change. So it looks like you'll be working with political campaigns, specifically on the Democrat side. So you also got to know that going in. They're looking for somebody to build that digital journey, raise awareness, and bring social change, environmental change, bring up political issues. So these are the types of emails you're going to be typing as political based emails. You'll work alongside a team to tackle the data analytics projects, crunching the numbers and staying informed and identifying new ways to push forward with the tools that you have, paying close attention to detail and ensuring strong quality and great user experience. So they're basically looking for somebody to craft political emails, code them, and get them sent out, trying to persuade people to do different things. They are not requiring any kind of college degree, but they do want somebody who has 1 to 3 years of experience, someone who has good judgment skills, good communication skills, and they do want somebody who has experience in HTML or CSS coding, so for email or web. And of course, you got to know how to use those basic Microsoft Office systems, Excel, Word, things like that. But pay for this position is anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year. And on top of a standard benefit package with health insurance and that sort of thing, they're issuing you a company-issued Mac computer to work from home on and a cell phone service reimbursement, different things like that. Now, they are only hiring in certain states. Those states are listed at the bottom of this page. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.